Hi everybody, I want to welcome you to this video, this overview video of the IX system. My name is Joe Martinez. I am the founder and creator of this company and of this concept IX. IX is a dream come true for a lot of people around the world, especially in today's age, okay? First and foremost, I want to welcome you to your new life. I want to welcome you to your transformation. This is the beginning of the change that you've been looking for. And I want to start off a little bit of talking about, the legal, the disclaimers. I want to first and foremost tell you, we are an education and a technology company. If we are talking about earnings, if we're talking about compensation and money, you have to understand there is a program of compensation. Our products do have the potential to make you money. However, you want to get educated on that. You want to understand the system. And so make sure you guys read all our legal disclaimers. Make sure you guys are taking responsibility for what you guys are doing with your own financial situation. We're not here to give you advice of any nature. With that being said, guys, I want to ask you the question. If time and money were no issue, if there was no limitation in your life right now, what would you do and who would you invite? Where would you wake up tomorrow? And what are the things that you love to be doing with your life? Those are the questions I like to ask myself. Those are the questions that start to make me dream again. So in society, we start to grow up as young adults and we lose those dreams. So I want to take this opportunity, guys, right now, invite you to close your eyes. Start to dream again. Start to envision the things that you want in your life. Start to envision that transformation and start to manifest these things. Because the only limitation you have in life right now is the limitation you're giving yourself. What ends up happening is we start to follow a system, and we'll call this system the 4 ways of creating wealth. There's some famous people out there that they go out and give you different avenues of how people can make money. And it's absolutely true. This concept is taken from a gentleman called Robert Kiyosaki, and he calls it the cash flow quadrant. And I just want to invite you guys to understand this really quickly, okay? There's 4 ways that we can make money in this world. We can become an employee, which 90% of the world's population does, right? We can become self-employed, which a lot of employed individuals then convert to be self-employed individuals. They start to have more flexibility with their life, okay? They can set their own schedule, but if they don't work, they don't make money. Same thing with an employee. If you don't work, you don't make money, okay? And what we have to understand is that's the system we've been taught. We've only been taught 2 ways of making money as a society, as the masses, okay? What we want to teach you guys during this video and throughout your journey with us here at IX is that there are better ways. We're not perfect. IX isn't perfect. It's only a better way. So we've invited content creators from around the world. We've invited mentors that have results, people that can teach you how to be successful in business, people that can teach you how to become a successful entrepreneur, people that can teach you how to become a successful investor. And we want to educate you and we want to give you the tools of how you can start using these other routes of making money. So which route would you prefer? Would you prefer to make money while you sleep? Or would you prefer to make money while you have to be there 9 to 5 every single day? Ask yourself that question. The solution, guys, is what we're talking about here at IX. The opportunity to reinvent yourself. Every single one of you has the ability, has the potential for change. And what we've done is we've created a system, IX, about self-betterment, self-growth, how you can become a better individual. And it's based on our 5-pillar opportunity. We'll go through some of these pillars as we go throughout the video. But one of the things I want you guys to understand is IX is the solution. It's the solution to the pain. It's the solution to the debt. It's the solution to this pandemic situation that we're currently living in. So understand, guys, the solution is change. The solution is transformation. The only constant in life is change. So embrace that change and start on this journey of transformation with us. All right, guys, now we're gonna talk a little bit about the purpose of our community. When we first sat down and we were dreaming up IX, we wanted to think about what are the values we wanna share around the world. And I've been a successful entrepreneur the last 10 years of my life, and I broke it down to 3 core values. It's innovation, inspiration, and impacting through relationships. These values are ingrained in our mission, in our vision as a community. And what we've set out to do is to share this message with the world. We have created a company behind this concept. Obviously you guys are looking at myself on this video right now. Like I said, I am the founder and creator of this concept of this company. I've been a successful entrepreneur the last 10 years of my life. I've made millions of dollars, but I'm not here to talk about myself. I'm here to talk about you. I'm here to talk about the other individuals that make up our corporate staff and our community. So first and foremost, I want to introduce to you guys the president of our company, Paul Barlow. Paul's been a great friend over the years, a mentor. He's been a successful consultant. He's been a successful corporate executive for multi-million-dollar companies, and he's taken companies to the next level. And so we're excited that Paul's joined us on this journey of transformation. The next individual that I'd like to present to you guys is Miguel Rodriguez. Miguel is an individual, he's a mentor, he's a trainer, and he's an individual that has some great leadership for the Latino market. And as you guys know, we're growing around the world. We're growing throughout different parts of the world, through Latin America, through Asia, through Europe, through here in the US. And so these two individuals, Miguel and Paul, they come together. Between them, they speak 4 or 5 different languages. They're able to reach out to the people. They understand the business model. They understand what it takes to become successful on this journey of transformation. And the last people that I want to introduce are the people that actually founded the company with myself, and they're 4 individuals, and they're spread out throughout the world. Like I said, we are a global community. The first individual is Viraj Patil from India. Viraj is a phenomenal leader. He's probably one of the hardest working individuals I've ever seen in my life. Then we have Anita Davis. Anita is a phenomenal person, helps day to day on all of the tech side, all of the day-to-day operations of what we need to be running as a community, as a company. Next, we have Helen Boyle. Helen has been a great friend, right? She produces some of the best content that you guys will see. You guys can go through, you guys can read about, her journey, her transformation. You can read about what she's accomplished in her life and how she's sharing that story with you. And last but not least, I want to also recognize Ozzy Tomas. Ozzy's been a phenomenal person. If you've seen any of our marketing, any of our design work, he is the individual that's helped segue into becoming $1 million a month company. And so I want to congratulate these individuals for all the hard work, for all the dedication, and for everything that they've done for us as a company. Now, let me ask you guys a question. Have you guys heard of companies or platforms like Airbnb, Uber, Netflix? I'm sure most of you guys have these apps downloaded on your phone right now. And let me ask you another question. If you had the opportunity to participate in one of these companies when it was first being developed, would you have taken it, knowing what you know now? I'm sure the answer is yes. What I'd like to invite you guys to do is participate in our IX ecosystem. Now, you might be asking yourself, what is this ecosystem? Well, we've taken some of the most lucrative industries in the world, some of the biggest trends in our world, especially in this digital age, and we put them into a platform as an app. And this app is available on Android, iOS, across web. And what this app is going to allow you to do is access some of the most privileged information across these industries, from e-learning to e-commerce to travel to financial markets, and access to health and wellness products that are going to be able to change your life, be able to help you improve your lifestyle. Here at IX, we're about improving your quality of life, and we do that through our ecosystem. Okay, now let's break down this ecosystem. As I said, we have multiple different industries, some of the trendiest industries as of today. First and foremost, we have our e-learning system. We have an academy where we have hundreds, if not by this point, thousands of hours of content, of self-education, of financial markets, of how you can better your life, pre-recorded content from our mentors around the world that can help you to start to change your life. The second thing that we have is our travel program. Our travel program has been designed not to go out there and give you these crazy discounts, but just to give you an added perk, an added incentive for using our platform. That's called our cashback travel program. You'll be able to access up to 700,000 locations around the world where you'll be able to get cashback to your credit card for purchasing a stay or booking a hotel or a reservation through our portal. Next, we have our financial market system. This financial market system goes across multiple different industries or financial markets. The biggest one being forex. We do offer information, newsletters that you can access as an individual, notifications directly to your phone from our market educators, from our market experts that will allow you to leverage their knowledge. And so what you need to understand about the financial markets, there is risk. You have to come in, use our academy, okay? Use our academy to learn about the financial markets, then decide if you would like to take the next step of getting involved in the financial markets. Lastly, we're involved in the technology space, right? We provide different tools that you as an individual can use. For example, hosted accounts. You can come in and use our social media platform. You can come in and use our alert system. Now, all of this is available in the palm of your hand. Literally, all you have to do is go into the App Store, the Play Store, or even to your mobile web browser and download the IX Global app. Once you do that, you're gonna create a free profile, and from there, you'll make the decision what you wanna do. Do you wanna stay on the free version of the app, or maybe you wanna upgrade? Maybe you wanna become a premium user, or what we call participation in our brand ambassador program. Participation in our brand ambassador program is 100% optional. It's not required. However, you do need to get a starter pack if you want to access more in-depth or more privileged information that we have available as a platform. And the way you're going to do that is you'll first and foremost decide, what are my goals? Okay, we have 3 different levels. We have a basic pack, we have a pro pack, and we have a premium pack. Each one of these packs come with different tools, different incentives, their access to more information or less information. You decide how detailed you want to become, how in-depth you want to get involved with IX. But once you made that decision, you are now also part of our brand ambassador program. This allows you to share our products, our services, our platform, our ecosystem, and to be able to make referral commissions or even a team commissions by participating in this brand ambassador program. Now, our compensation model is very simple, guys. We have 3 different ways that you can make money as a brand ambassador. The first way is our direct residual bonus, or our direct bonus. For every referral that you make to the company, you're gonna earn a percentage of that sale. And the great thing about this is now a residual bonus. Every time that they renew their subscription, because our business model is a subscription model, every time they renew, you're gonna make money. The second bonus that we have is our VIP bonus. Our VIP bonus allows you to earn a more substantial residual commission based on the qualified group volume that you're producing through your sales organization. And the last bonus that we have is what we call our team commissions. So what our team commission allows you to do is earn infinite on any of the volume, any of the sales that you bring in through these teams. You can earn up to 20% of your matching volume or your balance volume through the system. The great thing about this is it pays down to infinity. It doesn't matter if you personally refer them or if they came in a million levels below you, you're now able to earn a residual income based on the teams that you initially started. Maybe you started years ago. What we want you guys to have with us here at IX is a way to earn a residual income, a way for you to change your life by participating in our brand program, by sharing our products and services. All right, guys, now let's talk about some goals. The first goal that I want you guys to have in your mind is VIP 100. At VIP 100, you're gonna have 3 active subscribers. And at this level, you're making a $100 VIP bonus, but you're also making $15 on your direct residual bonus. So you're making a total of $145. This is what we call your break-even point. This is where you're now making enough money from the compensation plan to pay your monthly subscription. The next goal we want to give you, goal number 2, is VIP 500. VIP 500 is building a team of 12 active subscribers. And here you're going to be making a $450 VIP bonus, plus your team commissions, plus your direct residual bonuses. So here you'll be earning over $540 per cycle. And the cycle is a 4-week period with us. That's just the beginning, guys. If you want to make more money, all you have to do is now teach other people to get to this VIP 100 and VIP 500 level. And you're going to start earning maybe 1,000, maybe 2,000, maybe 4,000. If you look at our compensation plan or watch our compensation plan video, you'll be able to learn more about the comp plan at that point. Guys, I want to just ask you guys at this point, Have you started to dream yet? Have you started to think outside your current limitations? Maybe you want to get involved for our compensation plan. Maybe you want to get involved for the financial markets. Maybe you want to get involved for the travel aspect. Maybe you want to get involved for the self-betterment. But self-betterment, guys, is about bettering every aspect of yourself. Bettering your financial life, bettering your relationships, bettering our quality of life. IX is that ecosystem. IX is that community of people that can help you go to that next level, that can give you that transformation, that change that you're looking for. So guys, if you're watching this video, I'd like to invite you to get back to the person that invited you to watch this, or invited you to IX, or that invited you to download the app. However it is that you came in to know about IX, get back with that person. Tell them, I want to become a brand ambassador. I want change in my life. I want to enjoy the transformation, and I want to start on this journey of self-betterment. Thank you, guys.